10 Basic German Conversation, Part 2, number 1 to 10. In Lektion 6, I have discussed questions and answers in relation to 10 topics in German. In this lection, I will discuss another 10 topics in regard to conversation. In conclusion, I have discussed important points. See the video till end. Now, F for die Frage, questions. A for the Antwort, answer. 10 basic German conversation. Send grundlegende Deutsche Gespräche. That is 10 basic German conversation. Here I repeat, 10 grundlegende Deutsche Gespräche. Number 1. Freizeit, free time. Wann haben Sie Freizeit? When do you have free time? Answer. Ich habe die Freizeit nur am Wochenende. I have free time only on weekends. Nur means only. Weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Number 2. Lernen. Welche Sprache lernen Sie? Which language do you learning? Ich lerne jetzt Deutsch. I am learning now German. Jetzt, now. Number 3. Urlaub, vacation. Wo machen Sie Urlaub? Where are you taking a vacation? Answer. Ich mache Urlaub am Meer. I am on vacation by the sea. Am Meer, by the sea. Now, Lieblingsessen, favorite food. Was ist Ihr Lieblingsessen? What is your favorite food? Answer. Ich esse gern Reis mit Fisch. Or meine Lieblingsessen sind Reis und Fisch. Now the English. I like to eat rice with fish. Or my favorite foods are rice and fish. Number 5. Frühstück, breakfast. Was essen Sie zum Frühstück? What do you eat at breakfast? Answer. Zum Frühstück esse ich Brot mit Butter. At breakfast I eat bread with butter. Number 6. Sprachkenntnisse, knowledge of languages. Welche Sprachen sprechen Sie? Which languages do you speak? Sprachen, languages. Sprechen, to speak. Ich spreche Hindi, English und Deutsch. I speak Hindi, English and German. Number 7. Wohnung, apartment. Wie groß ist Ihre Wohnung? How large is your apartment? Meine Wohnung ist 800 Quadratmeter groß. My apartment is 800 square meters. Number 8. Arbeit, work or job. Wo arbeiten Sie? Where do you work? Ich arbeite bei Siemens. I work in Siemens. Number 9. Wochenende, weekend, that is Samstag und Sonntag. Samstag, Saturday, Sonntag, Sunday. Wie lange schlafen Sie am Sonntag? How long do you sleep on Sunday? Ich schlafe 8 Stunden. I sleep 8 hours. Number 10. Handy, mobile phone. Haben Sie ein Handy? Do you have a mobile phone? Ja, ich habe ein Handy. Yes, I have a mobile phone. Now, important to note, there is no continuous form in German. We can use the continuous grammatical form of English to understand the simple present German sentence. Here, Z form is used. In Z form, always infinitive verb, that is the main verb in infinitive form, is used. For example, Herr Müller, was essen Sie? That is, Mr. Müller, what are you eating? Now, die Wohnung, the apartment, Ihre Wohnung, your Wohnung. This is also a Z form. Here, please revise the episode 14 where article form is given. The link is given in the description box. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon in the right side to get the upcoming videos. In the next lection, I will discuss another 10 conversation. Thank you.